Hi everyone, welcome back to my lab. My name is Tyler and thanks for joining me. Today we're going to talk just very generally about hemp. We're going to cover three different things. What's the definition of hemp? What's the difference between hemp and marijuana? And hemp agriculture in general. So let's start right off. What is hemp? Hemp is actually a cannabis plant just like marijuana. However, legally it needs to be below 0.3% THC. THC is the stuff that is a psychoactive cannabinoid that you can find in both hemp and in marijuana. So what's really the difference between hemp and marijuana then, if THC can be found in both? It's really about a legal definition. Hemp, as I mentioned before, is a cannabis that's below 0.3% THC, where marijuana is anything above that 0.3% THC. There's two main strains that are used for growing hemp and marijuana, sativa and indica. Typically, most hemp that's being grown right now is a sativa genetic, and marijuana is typically an indica genetic. Both of them have been bred over several generations actually to have certain profiles. Marijuana having a higher THC profile and hemp having a lower THC profile but a higher CBD profile. You can use hemp for a lot of different things, but for the most part people are growing them for one of three things: seed, fiber, and CBD, or flower. And each one of them is going to be grown very differently and have different nutrient requirements and different spacing requirements. For example, seed and fiber is going to be grown about 4 inches away from each other, where hemp grown for flower, which is going to be used for either smokable or creating CBD oils, is going to be grown anywhere from about 5 to 6 feet apart from each other, because it turns into a very bushy plant, where the seed and fiber genetics grow as basically like tall, like a beanstalk or corn. It gets really high up there, and those are really the biggest differences. While I have you here, stick around for one other thing: a myth versus a fact. Myth: hemp is the male version of a cannabis plant. That's false. The fact is that both hemp and marijuana have both male and female plants. In hemp, it's okay to have male plants for seed and fiber, but for flower, you really just want female plants because they have a higher CBD content. Thanks for joining me. I know this is a quick video. Do me a favor, subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thanks for joining me. Come back next time.